Hi and welcome to Online Appliance Tech. Today we're going to show you how to fix your agitator for your Whirlpool or your Maytag or Amana washer. So as you can see here, once we spin, we have no type of tension, meaning it's broken. So just lift up this cap, and then here you have a cap underneath, which you can take a pair of needle nose or a tool like that to lift up on this cap. This one's on a little tight. But once removed, just lift up clean if you want to. It definitely helps. And then under here you have a 7/16 bolt. You can use a drill or a hand ratchet. It's up to you. Okay, so I'm going to get the 7/16 bit. And to remove this bolt from the agitator, you do go counterclockwise. 7/16. I don't think you can see that, but that's what it is. Okay, so when removing this bolt, you want to hold the agitator as you remove the bolt. If not, the agitator will just spin around. So just lift straight up out of the tub. And this is basically what's going on. As you can see here, the teeth are not grabbing the sides of the top of the agitator. So what you want to do next is put your 2 feet on the agitator, and then you're going to just lift straight up, and it'll disconnect in 2 pieces. Okay, so then you're going to slip it over and everything will just fall right into your hand. So these are the teeth that are going bad, or it's gone bad. So what we're going to do next is we're going to remove the black holder. Basically this just holds the teeth into place to keep them from falling when you install them and so forth. So this clips off. If you're having trouble removing this, just take a flathead or a butter knife or something like that to put in between and twist, and that'll pop it right off. So once loosened, you'll just pull it basically straight up and then remove the teeth. Then you'll take the new teeth. Here's the part number. They're called dog agics, part number 80040. And they're anywhere from $2 to $3 each, I believe. So they're fairly cheap. Okay, to install these, you just basically slide them in the same grooves you remove the old ones. So just put them around just like this. So that's why you have the top cover, the black cover, that keep these things from popping out. So you'll just line this up. They have little slots that slide down the side of the, as you can see there. So it can only go on one way, so just keep on turning in the circle until it slides down, as you can see here. So I'll put it on there, and actually I already lined it up, and it just pops right down into place. And it's supposed to click, so make sure you have it all the way in and clipped in. There we go. So it's going nowhere. So I put my 2 fingers in here. This is a little trick. And then I'm going to press this in. So I have to hold my 2 fingers in there as I put it on top of the agitator. If not, it'll just fall right out. So hold 2 fingers in and hold it up like this. So I'm going to hold the agitator up and put pressure against my 2 fingers, and then place it on top of the agitator. As you can see here. And if you're having trouble clipping this in, just kind of turn it left and right until it clicks down into place. There we go. So as you can see now, it's locking the agitator. So I'm going to take my 2 fingers and I'm going to hold pressure as I press up on the agitator, because I don't want it to fall apart, I guess you would say. So I'm keeping pressure together, and I'm keeping my 2 fingers on the bolt, or where the bolt would go, as I place it down on the shaft of the washer. And I just kind of wiggle and turn it side to side until it slides down into place. Okay, so it slid down. I'm going to take my 2 fingers out, And the only thing I gotta do now is just install the bolt going clockwise. If you have a magnetic bit, even better. In this case, I don't. So if you don't have a magnetic bit, just hold it with 2 fingers until you get it down in there, and then you can just tighten it up. Okay, so when you tighten this up, you might want to hold the bottom of the agitator. If it starts to spin, sometimes it does and sometimes it doesn't. So as you can see there, nice and snugged. As you can see, once again, now it's grabbing the side of the agitator or the agitator, and this basically just makes the clothes go underneath the washer and up. And so like I said, if you have time, clean this up good. It does help. Okay, so when you put this cap back on, make sure it's nice and flush evenly, and use something to kind of press down in the middle to make sure it's all the way down. That way no type of water will get between those sills. And on the left and right on the inside of this agitator, you have 2 little holes, so when you put the softener in the top of the cap of the agitator, it agitates and then goes down the sides and then into that portion of the washer. So as you can see here, we have crud here, so we want to make sure we definitely clean all that out. Okay, so you put the softener in here, then it comes out this hole, and then when it agitates, it goes out the 2 holes on the inside of the agitator. So basically they're right here, one there and one on the right, so it's definitely something I also want to keep clean. So it comes out, goes out the hole. So put the cap back on, and that's pretty much it. As you can see now, it has tension. I do hope this video was helpful, and please like and subscribe for more future tips and videos. If you have any questions, just leave in the comments below. Thank you and have a good day.